In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create images using DaVinci AI Image Generator. AI art generator from text, that's what they call themselves. And it says create AI art using only your words in just a few seconds. And it goes further. Now, DaVinci is actually a paid tool, AI tool, but they give you a free trial. So I'm going to click on try for free, and it's going to prompt me to create an account. I'm going to add my details here and create an account. After verifying my account, it shows me the DaVinci pricing plan. It's $19 per month, or you can pay yearly, and it's going to just be $59 per month. And here it says, do you want to try the limited edition? I'm going to click on that, which is actually the free version. So I'm going to give you the prompt. You can see it gives me 3 credits. I want to believe this is 3 credits per day. I'm going to give it a prompt. Now, note that for every AI tool, the better your prompts, the better, the results you get. There is this notion of garbage in, garbage out. So I'm going to say a beautiful wood, no, I'll delete that. I'm going to say a drone image of a beautiful wooden cabin in the midst of a thick forest, with river flowing by it. The forest should be green and lush, and the sky should be blue, bright, and sunny. So I'm going to click. Now you can choose your style. No style, which is the default, Van Gogh style, which is Van Gogh art, magical portrait, and a lot of these other styles. For you to make use of them, you need to be on a pro version. So I'm going to leave that. Then the model, you have SDXL and DaVinci Ultra. I'm going to go with DaVinci Ultra. And then the ratio, by default, you get this square 1:1. If you want other aspect ratios, you need to be on the pro version. I'm going to click on generate, and it's generating my image. Now you can see what is generated for me. I'll click on that, and it's quite good. I think I like it. You can go ahead and regenerate. It's already taken 1 credit. I can go ahead and generate again, and it's going to generate something else. And you see the next photo, it actually generates a picture of 2 houses, and this is a lot better. So you see this download button here. You can download that directly from there, or you can save this to your account. I'm just going to click on download, and it's downloaded to my account. So in a nutshell, that is how to use DaVinci AI or DaVinci AI Art Generator. If you got any value out of this video, please watch the next video, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.